Here's how to change keyboard backlight color on Lenovo LOQ in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide so you can quickly customize your keyboard lighting and make it look exactly how you want without confusion or wasted time. Start by using the built-in shortcut on your keyboard, which is the fastest way to change the lighting. Look for the function key combined with the spacebar. Press Fn and spacebar at the same time and you'll notice the keyboard light turning on or changing. Each time you press it, it cycles through different brightness levels or preset lighting modes. This is perfect if you want a quick change without opening any software. On some models, you can also try pressing Fn and C, which may switch between different lighting effects depending on your device. If you want more control over the colors and effects, you'll need to use the Lenovo Vantage app. Open your Start menu and search for Lenovo Vantage, then launch it. Once you're inside, look for the section that handles your device settings. From there, find the lighting controls, often labeled as the spectrum or something similar. This is where you can fully customize how your keyboard looks. Inside the lighting settings, you can choose specific colors instead of just cycling through presets. You can also adjust brightness so the light is not too dim or too strong. If your keyboard supports multiple zones, you can even set different colors for different parts of the keyboard. For example, you might choose one color for the left side and another for the right, depending on your preference. You'll also see different lighting effects you can apply. A static effect keeps one steady color, while options like breathing or wave create movement across the keyboard. These effects can make your setup feel more dynamic, especially if you like a more personalized look. After making your changes, make sure to save your settings so they stay applied even after restarting your laptop. Once saved, your keyboard should instantly reflect the new color or effect you selected. If your changes don't appear right away, try pressing the shortcut keys again or restarting the app. Sometimes it just needs a quick refresh to apply properly. And that's it! By using either the quick keyboard shortcuts or the full customization inside Lenovo Vantage, you can easily change your keyboard backlight color and make your Lenovo LOQ match your style in just a couple of minutes.